These random facts are so strange, they sound like fiction, but they're all real. The last one will leave you speechless. Did you know human meat reportedly tastes similar to pork? Creepy, but true. Lions have no idea whales even exist. Land kings don't know ocean giants. Rub your eyes too hard? You could pop a blood vessel. Lack of sleep makes your brain so stressed, it literally starts to eat itself. Crying really hard? Some say it means a ghost is hugging you. February is the rarest month to be born in. You're special if that's you. Sleeping with your legs straight might actually help you grow taller. Ever noticed? The word live is just evil spelled backwards. Your lips won't touch while counting until you say 1,000,000. Try it. If you wake up between 4 to 5 a.m., legends say someone's watching you. Want to lose weight? Drink water before eating. It fills half your stomach naturally. Light